Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python function to count the number of lines in a text file. So given a text file as a input to the Python program, so you have to count the number of lines present in the text file. So that is a problem statement and you have to do this using a Python function. So let's try to solve this. So let me define a function that is count underscore lines and let's pass an input argument that is a file name to it. Yeah, so this is a function and now what we'll do is we will try to open the file and read the contents of the file line by line. So let me use a try block. So I'll be using a try block because if the file is not found, so let's try to catch an exception and let's try to return number of lines as 0. So let's take another variable file descriptor equals to open and let's pass two arguments to this, that is the file name, and you have to give the read mode. And once the open function that is opens the file, so you will get a file descriptor. Else if the file is not found, so let's try to catch an exception, that is file not found error. Yeah, so if we hit with the file not found error, so let's try to print it. That is let's say this for negative scenario, that is file not found, and let's try to return the number of lines as 0, that is let's return 0. And if the file is present and you get a file descriptor, so let's use an else block to calculate the number of lines present in a text file. So let me take a counter variable, that is line underscore count, and let's initialize it to 0. Yeah, so once we get the counter variable, so let's iterate all the lines present in the file. So in order to iterate all the lines present in the file, so I'll be using for loop, that is for underscore in fd. So this is my file descriptor. So I'll be using underscore because I don't need the lines. I am only considering line count here. So I'll be using line count and incrementing it by 1. So this is a method I'll be using to that is count the number of lines. And yeah, so once the for loop completes, so this variable will store the number of lines present in the file. Yeah, and then let's try to close the file using close function call. Yeah, so this is my function to open the file and read the number of lines, and yeah, we have to also return the number of lines. So let's use return, and we have to return line underscore count, that is a integer type. So this is a function to count the number of lines present in a text file. So in the main program, so let me take another variable, that is file name, to store the file name, and let's ask a user to enter the file name. Let me use input function call, and here let's say enter a file name. Yeah, so once the user enters a file name, so let's call the function, that is count underscore line. So let me take another variable to store the number of lines, and that is a result variable will be storing the number of lines, and let's call the function with the file name. Let's pass file name as an input argument. Yeah, so once the function gets executed, so let's print the result, that is number of lines in a text file is. Let's give colon, and here let's print the result. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program or the Python function to count the number of lines in a text file. So now in order to execute this, I have to create a sample text file. So for that, let me use new, and let's try to create a file. So I'll be giving the file name as sample.txt, and here, so let me pass some statements over here. So let's use two lines. let's divide this statement into two lines. So the program should print number of lines as 2. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Executing the program and enter a file name. So let's give sample.txt as an input file name. So you can see number of lines in a text file is 2. So now let me divide these lines and let's give enter over here. Let me execute it again and let's give sample.txt. So you can see number of lines is text file is 3. So let me enter it again. So we'll create a 4 lines. Executing it again. Let's give sample.txt. So you can see number of lines are 4. Now let's give some 7 lines. Let's execute it. Let's give sample.txt. So you can see number of lines in a text file is 7. Yeah, so now let me give some file name that doesn't exist. So let's give something like sample1.txt. So you can see file not found and number of lines present in a text file is 0. So this for negative scenario where sample1 is a file name that doesn't exist. So you can see over here in the current working directory I don't have the sample1.txt file. Yeah, so this is a complete Python function to count the number of lines present in a text file. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.